Okay, so you've developed the coolest, hottest app for smartphones in the world, right? I mean, you've got an app for medicine, or you've got an app for health, or you've got an app for something that's going to change the universe. The problem with apps is if you don't get the word out, if you don't get to the masses, if you don't tell everyone that it exists, someone else will come along and beat you to the punch. You have to become, in the advertising realm, for all intents and purposes, the My Pillow guy of the app. That means you have to spend money on radio and television and get in people's faces. You've got to be on Pandora. You've got to be on Sirius XM. You've got to be on iHeart. The beautiful thing is that we do that here for you, and it doesn't cost you a dime. We get paid to bring the business to the networks. So if you want to promote an app and you want to succeed and you want your app to become a household name, you need to call us at Ho Hum Media today, 888-449-2526. Call right now, 888-449-2526. We'll make you a household. Okay, so you've developed